It's way too early. We woke up at 8 this morning. And for context, since I work in Argentina, we normally don't get up till 10 or 11. Anyway, we're on our way to the mountains of Limassol to pick up some puppies.
You typed it incorrect in the GPS, right?
I hope so. We're on our way to Lofu. It's in the mountains outside of Limassol. That little town was Agros. They produce bottled water. We get a lot of our bottles from them. There are a lot of little mountain towns, mountain villages up here. And because we're going through the mountains to get there, it's a lot of windy roads, a lot like Colorado. Made to Lofu. We picked up the puppies and we are now headed back home. It's about 60 kilometers, but it's taken about an hour and a half to get here and there because of all the windy roads. Puppies are a little scared. They're hanging out and sleeping. And we're getting cleaned up in a